I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
Alright, we're back with another video. Today we're doing an unboxing on the Timpano TPT-SP4BT. That'll be the Timpano sound processor Bluetooth model. It's a 4-channel DSP Bluetooth version of it. Of course, you can get the PRV 2.4 or 2.8 DSP. But if you want the Bluetooth option where you'll be able to control it with your phone, let me turn this back on. That's the way it'll look. Y'all can see. Demo mode right there. Y'all got it in demo mode right now. I'm just gonna make it where you can see a few of the options. I got the PRV 2.8 as well, but I'm reviewing this. Be sure to shop prvaudio.com. I'll leave a link down below if y'all want to support the channel. And I do earn commission out the purchase or whatnot. Not a sponsored video or nothing like that. But they tell me what to say or nothing like that. Just good, honest, reviews of the product. Mainly because I use the product and things of that nature. So, I like to tell people about products as far as, if I use them. From experience and all of that type of stuff. So I don't really like to just get random reviews. I do random reviews, but I like to use it to someone know something about it. But good customer service, if that's what you're looking for, be sure to get that as well. So let's go ahead and get the box open. Of course, you get this in the mail when you order it and whatnot. Appreciate Timpano PRV for getting this thing right here made, and because you got other brands or whatnot, but you may not want to deal with that. Some people kind of like to keep it all one brand, and that's really what I like to do if it's gonna be me getting something. So this right here, let's go ahead and get it open. We're gonna look at the back right quick. You can pause the video so you can see the features right there. You got the high pass crossover filters, 6 low pass crossover filters right there. But you can pause it if you want to read it right there. Of course, you can download the app right there, or you can just type in Timpano DSP. This is small compared to the other one, the 2.8 video, the PRV model. Of course, like I said, it's real small. It ain't nothing real big. It's lightweight. Of course, y'all see the 4 output channels right there. The 2 input. You got your remote sequences right there. If you don't know about the sequence deal, that's when you can turn each thing on in a different order or whatnot. You got the remote in, ground, and your battery, where you can bolt it down on the sides right here. Like I say, it's real thin. I don't even have a rule or nothing that lets you know how wide it is, nothing like that on hand. So we'll go ahead and get this to the side. Of course, you get it looks like almost like the remote cable. No, that's not what this is. Let me see. Oh, okay. I'm guessing, well, that'll be what you read the instructions for. Like I said, it's my first time opening this. It's got the input. So that almost looks like a set of speaker cables right there. I'm guessing when you can run it in from the high-low situation. I'm not sure 100%, but I'm about guessing that's what that is. Or you can run it in with the AB RCA deal. I'll go ahead and put that down. That's why you read the manual, so that way you will know. See, I ain't gonna read the manual while we on here and nothing like that. This is my first time opening it, just like y'all seeing it. So, okay, number 6. Let's go ahead and do it anyway. Yeah, that's what it is. Audio input wire connection, high input. That's exactly what it is. That's what I was thinking. Like I said, it do good to read this manual right here. It really tell you everything you need to know right here, so you won't waste your time contacting people and asking questions is already, you know, broke down right here in the manual. And of course, it gives you the photos so you will know exactly what you're plugging up. Yes, 3-channel. Yes, it's a 4-channel thing. The 4-channel DSP, yeah. Of course, you got the limiter light on the top right there. Let's go to that. That's kind of on most DSPs, unless you got like a full digital deal where it's Bluetooth. You gotta use a computer. But if you know how to set this thing, you know, you'll be all right. But it's pretty simple. PRV Tim has a channel. I think it's called 12 volt. He'll show you how to do the DSP. So if you want to go over there and check that out. I don't know if he made the video about this one yet, but he did make the video on the 2.8 or the 2.4, same deal. But it'll probably be the same way. Of course, you can use the Bluetooth app. Let me go back to that, so you can set that up. Okay, one right there. Of course, you got your audio settings. Let's go there. Of course, the limiter that we were just talking about. And of course, you can, you know, lift that up and down. You can set it over there on the side. Anything you need to do with that. Graphic EQ. See, this is convenient right here. When you're on the go, you don't have to bring a laptop around and all of that, and you know, you don't want to have to do all of that. Of course, you got your gains for each channel. You got your 4 channels there and your main gain. You don't want to be walking around trying to bring a laptop everywhere you go. That's my main thing. You know, it's not that I don't like the let me sit there right there for y'all guys. It's not that I don't like the whole computer operated DSP. It's like, who wants to walk around with a computer every time you go somewhere, you know, to do that? That's just inconvenience to me. Of course, they got the Bluetooth app as well on those, but they're just an inexpensive option available. But there's a lot of budget deals. But if you like a Timpano fan or whatnot, and you like the products and the customer service, I definitely recommend. But be sure to stay tuned. We're gonna definitely try to get this thing plugged up, and we're gonna show you how it works. And we got a lot more videos to come out with, and be sure to stay tuned if you want to see the video on these. And here we go, the NEEWER right there. If you want to see the video on those, but be sure to like, subscribe, share the video. Use the link down below. ShopPRVaudio.com. Of course, y'all know I have my affiliate link type deal down below. If you shop PRVaudio.com, not PRVaudio.com, but you can buy it there as well. But if you like type person to buy off Amazon, they also sell on Amazon as well. But I have my affiliate link, so you'll be able to go directly to the product, and it'll, you know, of course, Amazon does pay affiliate or whatnot for recommending the product or whatnot. But be sure to like, subscribe, share the videos. Check out TimpanoAudio.com or PRV Audio. I'll be back on the next one.
Right equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.